In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect two receivers to one RadioLink controller and control them separately. RadioLink has a feature that they call IDSEED. This is to make sure that when you bind it, that you're not controlling both of them at the same time. For the simple reason is if you come in here and you have a different model of car, you can store up to 10 model of car on this. But if you do not use the SEED, you will control both of them at the same time. And let me show you. I'm going to be powering these receivers with a battery pack instead of using an ESC. Makes it simpler for testing. When it's flashing, that means it is not bound to the receiver. To bind these to the receiver, there's a little switch hidden here inside. You just hit that button, have the controller on. It is on, and it's waiting. You don't have to go to any menu or anything. You just leave it on. Come here, hit this little button on the side. It starts blinking fast. And then it stops blinking. Now it is actually bound onto the receiver. So it is there. To test this, you take your servo, let's put it on channel 1, and now we can turn it, and now we have it onto channel 1. This one is bounded to channel 1 and to model 1. So I'm going to go into the menu and actually select a different menu, a different car. I'm going to model 2. Now I am in model 2. You can see here on top I am model 2, but I'm still controlling model 1. This is where you have to do the SEED, but we'll do that in a little bit. Now let me power up the second receiver. This one was bound on here before, so it's actually still there. So now I can connect my servo on channel 1. And now both of them are moving at the same time. Even though I have model 2 selected, or model 1 selected. So I am controlling both receivers with this control. If you want to control them separately, what you have to do is you have to be on model 1, go into the menu, go to your IDSEED, turn it on, turn it on, and give it an ID. Just for simplest and ease, we'll put this on ID 1. And we'll exit. Now, if I look at my receivers, they are both blinking now. That means they lost sync to it, because now I'm actually use the IDSEED on model 1. So I have to rebind it using the SEED. So you click on it, you hold it for a few seconds, it starts blinking fast, and then it stops blinking. This one is still blinking, but now I'm on model 1. I am on model 1, but I'm only controlling 1. Now what I'm going to do is go on model 2, set it to model 2, See, I'm on Model 2. Now I'm going to go to IDSEED, turn IDSEED on, and I'm going to set this one to ID2. So now it shows Model 2 ID2, and they're both blinking. And now I can actually hit the button. It's blinking fast. And now it's fixed. So now I'm on Model 2, ID2, and I'm controlling one controller. So if I go to Model 1 now, you can see Model 1, ID1. This one blink, this one doesn't. Now I'm controlling car number 1. So this is how you control two different cars with the controller. So by just setting the ID onto it, you can control multiple cars, not at the same time, but different cars with different settings. And like that, you don't have to worry that one car is going to start when the other one actually has power to it. So independent control. Here's car 1. And now I can go to car 2. And actually control car 2. And this is how you control two cars with one remote. This applies for the RC4GS and also applies to this one, which is the RC6GS. Just use the IDSEED, and like that you can control different cars at different time. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell to get more videos, and we'll see you on the trails. Talk to you guys later.